Hello everyone, welcome to Effective Learning. So, country, capital and currency is one of the most important topics in terms of static GK for the various government exam conducted in our country. Basically, important country related facts, especially those countries which are in news over the recent year, is important part of almost all major government exams, and scoring marks in this section is the easiest since no calculations and solutions are required. But this is possible only if you are completely prepared. Here in this video, I bring to you important European countries along with their capital and currency. Candidates must learn this to their tips as it may prove to be beneficial for them. As you know, I am covering all important countries according to their continent, and this is the second part on the topic. Today, I'll cover Europe continent. In the first part, already covered Asia, and on the next video, I'll cover Africa. So, let's start the video. And I'm starting from those European countries which having Euro as their currency. So, let's start from Andorra. It is a sovereign landlocked microstate on the Iberian Peninsula in the eastern Pyrenees, bordered by France to the north and Spain to the south. As I mentioned earlier, Euro is the currency of Andorra, and Andorra la Vella is the capital of Andorra. It is located high in the East Pyrenees between France and Spain. It is also the name of the forest that surrounds the capital. Moving forward to the next country, that is Austria. Currency is Euro, and it is also a landlocked East Alpine country in the southern part of Central Europe, bordered by Germany to the northwest, the Czech Republic to the north, Slovakia to the northeast, Hungary to the east, Slovenia and Italy to the south, and Switzerland and Liechtenstein to the west. Its capital is Vienna and largest city also, and one of 9 states of Austria. Moving forward to the next European country which have Euro as their currency is Belgium. It is a country in Western Europe and bordered by Netherlands to the north, Germany to the east, Luxembourg to the southeast, France to the southwest, and the North Sea to the northwest. Brussels is the capital of Belgium, and it is the largest municipality and historical center of the Brussels capital region. Next important European country is Cyprus. Currency is Euro, and it is an island country in the Eastern Mediterranean and the third largest and third most populous island in the Mediterranean, located south of Turkey, west of Syria and Lebanon, north of Egypt, Israel and the Palestinian region of the Gaza Strip, and southeast of Greece. Nicosia is the capital of Cyprus, and it is largest city also of Cyprus, located near the center of the Mesauria plain on the bank of river Peidios. Next European country is Estonia. Currency is Euro and located on the eastern coast of the Baltic Sea in northern Europe, bordered to the north by the Gulf of Finland across from Finland, to the west by the Baltic Sea across from Sweden, to the south by the Latvia, and to the east by Lake Peipus and Russia. Tallinn is the capital of Estonia, located in the northern part of the country on the shore of the Gulf of Finland of the Baltic Sea. Moving forward to the next European country, that is Finland, located in the Nordic region of Europe, bounded by the Baltic Sea to its southwest, the Gulf of Bothnia on the west, and the Gulf of Finland on the south, and it shares land borders with Sweden to the west, Russia to the east, and Norway to the north. Helsinki is the capital of Finland, located on the shore of the Gulf of Finland. Moving forward to the next important European country, that is France. Currency, as I mentioned earlier, that is Euro, and it consisting of metropolitan France in Western Europe and several overseas regions and territories. It borders Belgium, Luxembourg and Germany to the northeast, Switzerland, Monaco and Italy to the east, and Andorra and Spain to the south. Paris is the capital of and is also most populous city of France. Next European country is Germany. Its currency is euro and is a country in Central and Western Europe. Lies between the Baltic and North Seas to the north and the Alps to the south. Borders Denmark to the north, Poland and the Czech Republic to the east, Austria and Switzerland to the south, and France, Luxembourg, Belgium and the Netherlands to the west. Berlin is the capital of Germany and it is the largest city of Germany by both area and population, surrounded by the state of Brandenburg and contiguous with Potsdam, Brandenburg's capital. Moving to the next European country, Greece. Its currency is euro and officially known as Hellenic Republic, located in Southeast Europe. Athens is the capital and largest city of Greece, dominates the Attica region and is one of the world's oldest cities, with its recorded history spanning over 3,400 years, and its earliest human presence started somewhere between the 11th and 7th millennium BC. Moving to the next European country, that is Ireland. Also known as the Republic of Ireland, is a country in northwestern Europe, occupying 26 of 32 counties of the island of Ireland. Dublin is the capital and largest city of Ireland, situated on the bay on the east coast at the mouth of the river Liffey. It lies within the province of Leinster, bordered on the south by the Dublin Mountains, a part of the Wicklow mountain ranges. Next European country which have euro as their currency is Italy. Consisting of a peninsula delimited by the Alps and surrounded by several islands, Rome is the capital city and it is the third most populous city in the European Union by population within city limits. Vatican City, the smallest country in the world, is an independent country inside the country boundaries of Rome, the only existing example of a country within a city. For this reason, Rome has sometimes been defined as the capital of two states. Next European country is Latvia. It is a country in the Baltic region of northern Europe, bordered by Estonia to the north, Lithuania to the south, Russia to the east, Belarus to the southeast, and shares a maritime border with Sweden to the west. Riga is the capital of Latvia and third largest city according to population of Latvia. Next European country is Lithuania. Its currency is euro and is a country in the Baltic region of Europe, situated along the southeastern shore of the Baltic Sea to the east of Sweden and Denmark, bordered by Latvia to the north, Belarus to the east and south, Poland to the south, and Kaliningrad Oblast to the southwest. Vilnius is the capital of Lithuania and is the largest city also. Next important European country is Malta and is officially known as Republic of Malta and formally Melita, is a southern European island country consisting of an archipelago in the Mediterranean Sea, and it is the world's 10th smallest country in area and 4th most densely populated sovereign country. Valletta is the capital of Malta, located in the southeastern region of the main island between Marsamext Harbour to the west and the Grand Harbour to the east. Next European country is the Netherlands, formerly Holland. Its currency is euro and is a country primarily located in Western Europe and partly in the Caribbean, forming the largest constituent country of the Kingdom of the Netherlands. Consists of 12 provinces that borders Germany to the east, Belgium to the south and the North Sea to the northwest, with maritime borders in the North Sea. Amsterdam is the capital and most populous city of the Netherlands, which is colloquially referred to as the Venice of the North. Next important European country is Portugal. It is a country located mostly on the Iberian Peninsula in southwestern Europe, and it is the westernmost sovereign state of mainland Europe, being bordered to the west and south by the Atlantic Ocean and to the north and east by Spain. Lisbon is the capital and the largest city of Portugal. Moving to the next important European country, that is Slovakia. It is a landlocked country in Central Europe and bordered by Poland to the north, Ukraine to the east, Hungary to the south, Austria to the southwest and Czech Republic to the northwest. Bratislava is the capital and largest city of Slovakia. It is in southwestern Slovakia, occupying both banks of river Danube and the left bank of the river Morava, bordering Austria and Hungary, and is the only national capital that borders two sovereign states. Next important European country is Spain. It is a country in southwestern Europe with some pockets of territory across the Strait of Gibraltar and the Atlantic Ocean, and its continental European territory is situated on the Iberian Peninsula, and the country's mainland is bordered to the south and east by the Mediterranean Sea, except for a small land bordered with Gibraltar. To the north and northeast by France, Andorra and the Bay of Biscay, and to the west and northwest by Portugal and the Atlantic Ocean respectively. Madrid is the capital and most populous city of Spain, and it is the second largest city in the European Union, surpassed only by Berlin. Now I am going to cover those European countries which have euro is not as their currency. So the next country is Azerbaijan. Its currency is Azerbaijani manat. It is a country in the Caucasus region of Eurasia at the crossroads of Eastern Europe and Western Asia, bounded by the Caspian Sea to the east, Russia to the north, Georgia to the northwest, Armenia to the west and Iran to the south. Baku is the capital of Azerbaijan. It is located 28 meters below sea level, which makes it the lowest lying national capital in the world and also the largest city in the world located below sea level. Next country I am going to cover is Belarus. Its currency is Belarusian ruble. It is a landlocked country in Eastern Europe, bordered by Russia to the northeast, Ukraine to the south, Poland to the west and Lithuania and Latvia to the northwest. Minsk is the capital and largest city of Belarus. It has a special administrative status in Belarus and is the administrative center of Minsk region and Minsk district. Next European country I am going to cover is Bosnia and Herzegovina. Its currency is Bosnia and Herzegovina convertible mark and often known formally as Bosnia. It is a country in South and Southeast Europe located within the Balkans. Sarajevo is the capital and largest city of Bosnia and Herzegovina, surrounded by the Dinaric Alps and situated along the Miljacka River in the heart of the Balkans. Next country is Bulgaria. Its currency is Bulgarian lev. It is a country in southeastern Europe, bordered by Romania to the north, Serbia and North Macedonia to the west, Greece and Turkey to the south, and the Black Sea to the east. Sofia is the capital and the largest city of Bulgaria, situated in the eponymous valley at the foot of the Vitosa mountain in the western part of the country. Next country is Croatia. Its currency is Croatian kuna. It is a country in Southeast Europe, bordered Slovenia to the northwest, Hungary to the northeast, Serbia to the east, Bosnia and Herzegovina and Montenegro to the southeast, sharing a maritime border with Italy. Zagreb is the capital and the largest city of Croatia, located in the northwest of the country, along the Sava River at the southern slopes of the Medvednica mountain. Next European country I am going to cover is Czech Republic. Its currency is Czech koruna. It is a landlocked country in the Central Europe, bordered by Austria to the south, Germany to the west, Poland to the northeast, and Slovakia to the southeast. Prague is the capital and largest city in the Czech Republic, and it is the 13th largest city in the European Union and the historical capital of Bohemia. Next country is Denmark. Danish krone is the currency of Denmark. It is a Nordic country in Northern Europe, lies southeast of Sweden and south of Norway, and is bordered to the south by Germany. Copenhagen is the capital and most populous city of Denmark, situated on the eastern coast of the island of Zealand. Next important European country I am going to cover is Georgia. Its currency is Georgian lari. It is a country in the Caucasus region of Eurasia, located at the crossroads of Western Asia and Eastern Europe, bounded to the west by the Black Sea, to the north by Russia, to the south by Turkey and Armenia, and to the southeast by Azerbaijan. Tbilisi is the capital and largest city of Georgia, lying on the banks of the Kura River. Moving forward to the next European country, that is Hungary. Its currency is Hungarian forint. It is a country in Central Europe, borders Slovakia to the north, Ukraine to the northeast, Romania to the east and southeast, Serbia to the south, Croatia and Slovenia to the southwest, and Austria to the west. Budapest is the capital and the most populous city of Hungary, and the 9th largest city in the European Union by population within city limits. Next European country I am going to cover is Iceland. Its currency is Icelandic krona and is a Nordic island country in the northern Atlantic. Reykjavik is the capital and the largest city of Iceland, located in southwestern Iceland on the southern shore of Faxaflói Bay. Next European country I am going to cover is Norway. Its currency is Norwegian krone. It is also a Nordic country in Northern Europe, whose mainland territory comprises the western and northernmost portion of the Scandinavian peninsula, mainland Norway and the remote island of Jan Mayen, as well as the archipelago of Svalbard from metropolitan Norway. Oslo is the capital and most populous city of Norway. Next European country I am going to cover is Poland. Polish zloty is the currency of Poland. It is located in Central Europe and divided into 16 administrative subdivisions. Warsaw is the capital and the largest city of Poland, stands on the Vistula River in East Central Poland, and its population is officially estimated at 1.8 million. Next country is Romania. Romanian leu is the currency of Romania, located at the crossroads of Central, Eastern and Southeastern Europe, shares land borders with Bulgaria to the south, Ukraine to the north, Hungary to the west, Serbia to the southwest and Moldova to the east, and has its opening to the Black Sea. Bucharest is the capital and largest city of Romania, as well as its cultural, industrial and financial center. Next country is Serbia. Serbian dinar is the currency of Serbia. It is a landlocked country situated at the crossroads of Central and Southeast Europe in the southern Pannonian Plain and the Central Balkans. Belgrade is the capital and largest city of Serbia. Next European country I am going to cover is Sweden. Swedish krona is the currency of Sweden, and it is a Nordic country in northern Europe. Borders Norway to the west and north, Finland to the east, and is connected to Denmark in the southwest by a bridge tunnel across the Øresund Strait. Stockholm is the capital and most populous urban area of Sweden, as well as in Scandinavia. Moving to the next important European country, that is Switzerland. Swiss franc is the currency of Switzerland. It is a landlocked country situated in the confluence of Western, Central and Southern Europe, and is a federal republic composed of 26 cantons with federal authorities based in Bern. Borders Italy to the south, France to the west, Germany to the north, and Austria and Liechtenstein to the east. Bern is the de facto capital of Switzerland, referred to by the Swiss as their federal city. Next country I am going to cover is Turkey. Its currency is Turkish lira. It is a transcontinental Eurasian country located mainly on the Anatolian Peninsula in Western Asia, with a smaller portion on the Balkan Peninsula in Southeastern Europe. Ankara is the capital of Turkey, located in the central part of Anatolia. Next European country I am going to cover is Ukraine. Its currency is Ukrainian hryvnia. It is a country in Eastern Europe bordered by Russia to the northeast, Belarus to the north, Poland and Slovakia and Hungary to the west, and Romania, Moldova and the Black Sea to the south. Kyiv is the capital and most populous city of Ukraine in north-central Ukraine along the Dnieper River. Next and last important European country is United Kingdom. Pound sterling is the currency of United Kingdom. It is a sovereign country located off the northwestern coast of the European mainland, includes the island of Great Britain, the northeastern part of the island of Ireland, and many smaller islands. Northern Ireland shares a land border with the Republic of Ireland. Otherwise, the United Kingdom is surrounded by the Atlantic Ocean, with the North Sea to the east, the English Channel to the south, and the Celtic Sea to the southwest, giving it the 12th longest coastline in the world. London is the capital and largest city of England and the United Kingdom, standing on the River Thames in the southeast of England, and is governed by the Mayor of London and the London Assembly. Okay, that's all for today's video.